Welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. I am Aisha Michelle and I'm back with another install. As y'all can see me here looking real cute. So in today's install we're doing this 4x4 closure. Been a long time since I had a closure, no lie. But yeah, that's just me with my ball cap on. And this hair is from Unice hair. They sent over this little, I think it's like water wave. It's like a water wave bob, and it's so freaking cute. And that's the closure. And obviously this is not a long video because how long y'all expecting the closure to take to install? Come on now. And on top of that is glueless. We're doing the glueless method. So here y'all just see me placing it on my head, and then I'm gonna clip it back so I can part out some pieces so I can pluck in the front. But before I do that, y'all see that blind piece in the front? I gotta, fix that because you can't pluck hair if some of the hairs is blind because it's not gonna be accurate. So I'm just gonna brush back these hairs, and then I'm gonna take some mascara and then fix it up, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, alright, so now that all of the hair is like black and stuff, now I just went in and did some quick plucking. I didn't want to do too much because first of all, it's the middle part, it's short hair, and it's a closure. So you really did, I really don't need to do too much. If you got a closure and it's, you ain't gotta do too much. That looks fine. It's a little bit thick in the middle part of that, but I'm gonna go back and do that. And plus we plucking backwards, so you don't have to bald that part. It's just, with plucking, you just do the one section enough and then do the section in front of that enough. And see, that looks really good, really natural. And I'm still gonna have, hairs in the front to do my baby hairs. So then I'm gonna just do the same things on the other side, and then I'm gonna come back when we cutting off the lace and such. Okay, alright, I lied by accident. Real quick, this is the best glueless hairspray. I'm sorry, need to sit down. This big head hard, what is it? I'm gonna put it in the description box. I can't remember the whole thing, but I think it's big head, hard head. I really think so. But anyways, I had lied to y'all by accident because I forgot I did the other side off camera. But I just sprayed that, and y'all see me combing it back, and now I'm just blow drying it. But honestly, y'all, that hairspray, the best. Okay, I'm telling y'all, I would never lie. It's the best. But here I'm just going through and just cutting with the scissors for some reason. I don't know what made me do that. Lace is looking pretty good. I really don't know what made me going with scissors though, because if you watch my videos, consistently I use razor. But hey, guess I was trying to shake the room. But anyways, now I'm just going and I'm gonna carve out my baby hairs. And since this is a closure, it was kind of tripping me out a little bit because I don't have as much space as I usually have. But I'm just saying this because it took me a minute and I had to cut a lot of it out. So yeah, I'm gonna be back when I actually start to do my baby hairs. After this, all I'm gonna do is just push my hairline back and use my wax stick, and I don't need to tell y'all about that because I just told y'all. So I'll be back. And also, sorry, one thing I do want to say is when it comes to wax sticks, I don't know what it is, but I'm never going back to not using them. I don't know why I wasn't on the wax stick trend, but when I tell y'all, like a nice good wax stick is really what I need in my life. Like I was about to be deserted at a hair show, and they said one thing that you absolutely need aside from like hot tools and stuff like that, wax stick for sure. Cause like I hate a humpy dumpy wig, like that's ugly. And the wax sticks really do it. I don't understand. Like the wax sticks really just do it for me. But I went in the front too because I don't like Humpty Dumpty wigs, but I don't like real flat wigs in the front because I feel like it make my face look weird. I don't know. But now we're about to get into these baby hairs, and I cut them like, you know, way longer in the beginning. And now I'm just going in on my razor comb and my upside down flat pencil iron. Flat iron pencil iron. Y'all seen it. I don't know why that's tripping me out right now, but I just did them and I curled them not over. I curled them backwards. Going through a lot right now. I curled them backwards and I just did that for all of the parts. I cut this part a little too short, so I was kind of scared about burning myself, but I don't think I did. But yeah, so wax sticks, I feel like 2021 wax sticks and flat ironing my baby hairs was like major game changers for me personally. I feel like maybe everybody been on that wave, on that kick. I just wasn't there yet. Like it's a personal journey because it's me. But yeah, so that's all I did here. And then I'm gonna go on with some of the Eco Styler, the clear Eco Styler, and I'm just gonna do my baby hair, shape my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so my camera was dying, so I just picked up the closest thing to me, which was some Windex, to show y'all what I was going to do next. And then I wet my hair with water, not with Windex, just to let y'all know, clarify, be clear. Yeah, and then after this, I just went through and just cut some of the longer pieces. I feel like in the front, it was a tiny bit longer, and I wanted it to be, for the most part, all the way blunt and just, you know, the same all around. So I just did a little bit of trimming, nothing too crazy, not even an inch. And yeah, and then after this I did like try to go and like shake the hair up, and I think off camera I off camera I blow dried it a little bit just to get it not to look so like, I don't know, I just feel like sometimes wet hair can look wet doggish in my personal opinion, and I cut that little piece off right there that I'm touching. I cut that off. But yeah, I like fluffy. Like it don't gotta be all the way dry, but I like fluffy for the most part. And then I did this new transition I usually don't do, and look at that, that was so cute. But all I did was put my lashes on, I think fix my lip gloss. But after this, I'm finished, y'all. I'm done. It's nothing else that I really need to do. The hair dried down a little bit, and this is the lace under like a flashlight, and it looks so good. I don't know, I just love this style. Is just so cute and it's so quick. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. And I want to give a big thank you to Unice.